Hey guys, bear with me 1 second. Just hey Lewis, how we doing? Right, guys, good afternoon. The Prince, Peanut, Dave, Suleiman, how are we doing, guys? Right. Let's have a look. See what is potentially setting up. Uh, so gold, as we know, has been going rampant. Let's just have a look for a potential BPC trade on gold. There we go. So we're going to look for a BPC trade. We've just got to wait 7 minutes for this candle to close. And then what we'll be looking for is effectively this kind of trade. Market pending. So that's what we'll be looking for if this candle closes anywhere. In fact, no. Because the market is so volatile and buoyant at the minute, I have been looking at the 5 minute a little bit today and as of last week. So look, what have we seen today? We've seen some major news where we've seen peace deal between Israel and Hamas. And we're also seeing issues between US and China with tariffs. So, and I'm going to wait 5 more minutes. So here we go. Just waiting 4 more minutes, guys. And look, if it goes, it goes. It just is YouTube. Hey YouTube, just let me know if you can hear okay. Um, yeah, we're gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close. I'm not gonna force it. So the yellow line will be a pending order. The yellow line will be a pending order uh, once I place it. I haven't yet placed it. What's going on with? Uh, there's a little bit of a issue on YouTube. I'm not sure if you guys can you hear me on YouTube? How are things on TikTok? Is the sound okay on TikTok? Yeah, okay. So we're looking for long opportunities on gold. This could be a BPC style trade. Um, so it means the breakout has happened. We've had a pullback. The criteria for the pullback is two downrange candles, and then we're waiting for a bullish candle to close. Okay, fantastic. So look, if I show you what it looks like, uh, where are we? I'm just going to pull up. Let me just check. I'm just loading an image, um, wherever it is. So I want to show you what a BPC from my system is like. I don't understand why it's been so slow today. That's the breakout. Um, right, not that one. What? Here we go. I'm just going to load another image. Sorry, guys. It's just, I don't understand why it's taking me so long. Um, Everything seems to be a little bit slow on here today for some reason. Maybe because it's Monday and it's a bank holiday over in the US. But here we go. Finally. So this is what we're looking for. So we're looking for a bullish uptrend, and the breakout has already happened. So we know that the bullish trend is intact, and we know that the breakout has already happened. So then we need to see two seller candles minimum, downrange preferably. Downrange just means each seller candle has a lower high and a lower low than the previous candles. We're looking for a bullish candle close next, and then we're looking for clear candle space for at least 20 pips. So if we look at this, we can see we've got downrange candle, downrange candle. Now all we're waiting for is a bullish candle close. Now I don't mind if it is closing down here. I don't mind that. Okay, as long as it's a bullish candle close. So we've got about 8 seconds left. As soon as that is in, then we'll be placing the order. There we go. All right, order where? Okay, open trade. Okay, so order is in. Let's put. Okay, I've got some really bad delays on. All right, so I'm going to give 15 pip first target. What? So we're going for a 15 pip first target. There we go. And then I'll drop in a second TP up near the highs. I don't want to be the last one in trying to get out. I want to be one of the first trying to get out. So as soon as this trade triggers, if it does trigger, that is, then we're going to be looking at getting long, testing the previous highs, and then we'll trail, hopefully, if it can keep pushing higher, up to new highs. There we go. Finally, second TP has been entered. So first one is at 15 pips. Second one, I tell you what, it says 41.5 pips. So I'm just going to edit it, make it a round number. We'll do it at 40 pips. There we go. Okay, so have we got any new people in today? Hi Gandalf, hi Anna, Commander-in-Chief, good afternoon. For anyone that is, oh, I know what I've not done. I need to make sure uh, that we do our prize giveaway today. So I'm going to give um, a an hour's coaching session away to one lucky winner. So if you haven't yet entered, then make sure you do by clicking on this link. I'm going to put it in the chat. Fill out your details. It's literally just a couple of questions. Copy link. And, oh, actually, maybe that one won't work. I need the bit.ly link. That one won't work. Bear with me a second, guys, while we're waiting for while we're waiting for this one to, internet speed test is good. All right, 1 second, guys. I just need to get the shortened link for you because it won't work on the Google Doc. Won't work if I you put in the full link. So all you need to do is click on this link, and I'm going to give away an hour's coaching session. That Here we go. Links. So bit.ly, my links. So if you haven't yet done it, guys, here you go. It's a shortened bit.ly link. It's just what level of trader you are, how long you've been trading, name and email address. And at 2:15, I will copy all the names and I'll put it into a random picker. Um, and then one of you will get selected for a 1 hour coaching session. So if you haven't yet done it, guys, click on the bit.ly MOCDOC. It just means that is Mark Owen Concepts, and it's the doc. Okay, so gold is getting close to triggering. And see if we can continue our, there we go. We're triggered. That's a bit of a hefty spread by the look of it then. Yeah, 3 pips. Okay, moving quite nicely. 7 pips up, 8 pips up. Oh, stop loss. Moved a little bit aggressively there. Let me have a look. Okay, so I clicked the stop loss at entry button by mistake. I'm going to wait for this one to pop through the highs. As soon as we get over 100 pips, 10 pips up, I will move stop to break even. So my TP on this one is 15 pips. So we're nearly there. And there we go. So now stop loss is at break even. And there we go. There's our 15 pip target. Oh, hold on. Is it not? Yeah, it did close half. Okay, that's fine. Okay, lovely, lovely. Okay, so let's just see if we can continue running. Let me know if you got your 10 or your 15 pips there, guys. Hopefully you did. Lovely little trade. So 25 pips, 26 pips, 28 pips. Afternoon, Frankie. 31 pips. Got close to our 40 pip second target, but not quite. If we tap that 30 pip area again, because look, it's so close to those highs, I'm going to close half and there we go, 32 pips. All right, next one, 72 pips, and then we will let it run. See if we can get to we'll go for 4098. So 72 pips is third target. How are we doing, guys? Did we get some nice profit there? Let me know how many pips you got. Share it in the group. 15 pips, Peter Cole. Anyone else? Any more for any more? Right, let's update our wins. Right, I can't update it on TikTok as usual. Never allows me to amend data quickly. So YouTube is updated. That's 33 wins now. Let's try again on TikTok. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the text, but 45 pips for the Prince Jalil, 50 pips for Peanut. Lovely, well done. Emmanuel Stoica followed the creator. Thank you. Khan's World followed. Guys, make sure if you haven't yet done it, get yourself entered into the competition. 47 pips for Dan, 15 pips for Will, Saeed, 15 pips. Well done, guys. Now, if you've already entered the competition, you only need to do it once. Um, you don't need to do it then. Suleimani's got 70 pips. Awesome. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So well done, team. 40 pips, Peter Cole. Some big pip winners here today. So well done on that, guys. Well done on that. Let me just check the stats on where we are at with uh, uh, sorry guys, I just need to uh, have we got more people in? Yeah, there's a couple of people, a couple of extras that have joined. So, whatever you are, Robert's just put his name down. Oh, that's Rob McGee. Soph, Memi is in, Sharif, Andy, Waddy, Irene, Ebenezer, Simon, Andrew, Anka, Kaylin, Ian, Thabo, Oscar, Sahil, Alex, Tom Miller, Victor, Anna, Clint, Darius, Peter Cole, Mark, Frankie Thompson, Saeed, Dan Shilson. All got your names down on the competition. Now, I'm going to do a giveaway today at 2:15. So at 2:15, if you haven't yet clicked on the link, then do so. I've just put it in the chat again on TikTok and YouTube. Click on the link, just put in your name, your email, what level of trader you are, whether you're intermediate, novice, experienced, etc. Um, and get yourself registered for a potential coaching session with me. You can have 1 hour. So at 2:15, I'm going to announce the winner. At 2:15, I will announce the winner. All you have to do is click on that bit.ly link, fill out the details, and look at this. Not only are you getting the chance to win a coaching session, you're making pips while you're doing it. Couldn't be any better than that, could it? Okay, I've just taken half at 54 and I'll get that one removed. There we go. I don't need any more partial TPs. Right, we're going to wait. Potential breakout on the cards. Potential. So we've got to wait for 130. If we close above here, the next candle wicks down, guess what? We're going to use the volume of the US session to buy again. But on this one, I'm going to do it slightly different. I'm going to have a fixed like 30 pip target on this one. Uh, right, 1 second, guys. Okay. All right, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left for a potential breakout setup. Two minutes left. Mustang, thank you for the follow, guys. Thank you for the follow. So yeah, market's moving quite nice. We're just going to wait for this candle to close in all of what time is it? 58 seconds. We've got 58 seconds for this candle to close, and it needs to close above this gray zone. We're looking for a close above the gray zone. If it closes above and then the next candle wicks down, then we're going to be looking for buys. Twenty seconds. It's the high of this is 84.26. 84.26. So 84.26. That's, yeah, it's still the same. We have 2 seconds. Wait for a week. Is it just going to go without us? If it goes without us, then we just let it roll. All right. All I want to see is a wick down, a bottom wick. Okay. What the hell? Why did that not happen? Okay, let's try again. There we go. All right. So we've got the bottom wick. Now, this one, I'm just going to bring the stop up. So we've got our second pending order in. As soon as this one moves 10 pips, we're going to close half. Stop loss to break even as well. This is gold. Okay, there we go. Trades in. Okay, closed half. 10 pips. Stop loss at entry. There we go. Easy 10 pips there, guys. There we go. Did you get the second trade, guys? I'm out of break even on the second one. All right. Okay, so stops moved right up there. Look, if you wanted, you can take it again. Oh, did I just? I'm gonna. So it's the second winning trade of the live stream. I've put in. Oh, there we go. I've put in a reduced lot size. Let's get that down here, and we're just doing 15 pip target. So reduced lot size. So 2 wins from 2 on here, guys. I'm just going to keep. Ooh, and we're about to get pinged. There we go. And it's all done. There we go. So we've got 33 wins and 4 losses. I'm going to count it as a full loss, even though it was two-thirds of the original risk sizing. So we have let's just put those in, amend numbers, results. So I can't change it on TikTok. So YouTube, we've got another win, so it's 34, and we've got another loss, so it's 4 losses. Aha. So we'll go to 34 and 4. Oops, 34 and 4. Oh, that's not right. There we go. 34 wins, 4 losses, and 9 break evens. Right, that's me done for the day now. No more trading for me today. I'm done for the day. What can we say? Yeah, look, I mean, realistically, I do think there is room for more upside here, but we are $65 up on the day. Hence, the last trade, I was only looking for a 15 pip target. Remember, we'd taken our BPC trade down here. So to look for another trade in here, I only wanted a small target. Yeah, because we're at, hey Chris, how you doing, buddy? Great to see you here. It's all right. There's no more trades, Suleimani, but I'm out now. I'm done. Um, yeah, we had I think 70 odd pips on the first one. Um, and then we just I think that one was about 18. But yeah, it was a lovely, lovely session for us so far. Right, let me just check because I need to be thinking about doing an announcement for the winners. So how many people have we got? Maggie signed up. Okay, yeah, we're still looking. Guys, if you haven't yet put yourself down uh, for the competition for a free coaching session or a funded account or a 3 months membership, you can do that by clicking on the bit.ly link right now. I am going to announce the first winner today. I'll probably do it in about, what, 25 minutes because, oh, let's have a look what's going on. No, I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'll do it in 25 minutes. I'll do it at 2 o'clock. Mr. No, sorry, Mrs. Smith has just joined. Good afternoon, and thank you for the follow. Are you, Iceman? Are you back in the Riviera now, or are you still on holiday? I mean, it's like holiday from holiday, really, isn't it? Yeah. So, guys, keep the back on Wednesday. Lovely. Right. So, what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm just going to start putting in copy. Um, right. I'm going to start putting in the. What am I doing? All right, bear with me a second, guys, while I'm just sorting out the spreadsheet and random picker. Nice lunchtime top up on this morning's trades. Thank you. Pleasure, Frankie. So look, guys, if you haven't yet put yourself in for the free coaching session, um, then you might as well get those details in right now. Uh, got it. Uh, I don't like all these new things that are coming up on like Gemini and whatever it is. So this Monday, so today at 2 o'clock, I'm going to do a giveaway for a free coaching session. If you haven't yet if you haven't yet put your name or your details on that Google Doc, then you still have time to do so. Random picker, random. Okay, 1 second. Here we go. Pick a wheel. Inputs. Accept all. Ah, really? This is going to be a pain. I'm going to have to input. That didn't work. Okay. All right, guys. Let me stay with me while I'm just going to sort out all the people on this list. Okay, so first name going in is Dan. Then we have Said. So if you're on here, guys, you'll hear your name being called out. Frank Thompson. Okay, so Mark hasn't put a surname, but it is. I've got his Gmail email address, so I'll just put Mark. I know which one it is. Peter Cole. Then we've got Darius. Yeah, it's a bit tedious this for me, guys, but look, might as well do it now while we've got no more trades. Didier. Uh, Didier. Anna de B. Vic Snazzle. Tom Miller. Alex. Sahel. Oscar. Tabo. Ian Skingsley. Kaylin. Anchor. Andrew. West. Simon Webster. Ebenezer. Irene. Waddy. And Andy Matkin. Sharif. Soph. Robert. Maggie. Darren S. Okay, guys, so we're we're not there yet, but we're 18 minutes away. Mark, with all respect. Oh, shit, sorry. Thank you, Kaylin. No, no, no. I forgot the mic on the mic for TikTok picks it up. Apologies, guys. I did get told about that last week, so let me just find a bin. Thank you for pointing it out to me. I do apologize. Unfortunately, my memory, as you can tell, is a little bit sloppy. So thanks for that, Kaylin. Yeah, so people, if you haven't yet registered for the free giveaway, make sure you do so. We've got about 17 minutes before the first prize, which I'm just going to have a look at some of the other charts while we're waiting. I feel like it. The chat seems to encourage your viewers to send gear. No, I feel like the chat. I've got a problem on TikTok, guys. I don't know what's going on, but I can't. I can't see. Okay, guys on YouTube, TikTok, please let me know if there is something happening because I cannot see anything on TikTok and I can't see anything on daily ranking. Ah, there we go. TikTok's just come back. TikTok has just come back, so I don't know what happened there, guys. I do apologize. Um, so I'm looking for potential shorts on the NASDAQ. We'll see what happens. In 13 minutes, I am going to go to. mm, in fact, yeah, I'm going to look for sells on NASDAQ, even though. mm, 30-minute is the cleaner chart. So we'll wait for the 30-minute. If the 30-minute closes, if we get a bearish candle close on the 30-minute, then we'll look for a sell on NASDAQ. But it has to, we need to see a bearish candle close. Live event in progress. What's going on? Welcome to my live. Whoa, some crazy stuff's going on today. I'm not quite sure what was happening there. So yeah, before I can do anything with a potential sell on the NASDAQ, I need to see a bearish candle close. So this would be a tip, this would be our BPC style trade, because what we've seen is the market has closed below this level, and now what we're looking for is essentially this could have been like a false break. We're coming back up, but I'm looking for sellers to come back in, bearish candle close, and then we can trade it back down to this level here. So this would be the BPC trade, okay? Breakout, pullback, continuation. Guys, the announcement will be made in 11 minutes. So if you have not yet entered our free competition, all you need to do is click on the bit.ly link, which is in the chat on TikTok. It's pinned at the top of the chat. I'll just post it again. YouTube, it is probably 2 or 3 comments ago from what I can see, unless there's been any updates. Um, but that's what we're looking for. So guys, in 11 minutes, I'm going to announce the first. Said, did it go quiet? In 11 minutes, I'm going to announce the first winner, and then next week, next Monday, I'll do the second winner that is going to get 1 month's free membership. So let me just check, see if anyone else has entered the competition. Do I need to put any more names on? Let's see. See if any more names are on the spreadsheet. If they are, then I'm just going to add you to the chat, to the wheel. No more new names. So hey mate, any idea on the MACD, RSA, and stochastic strategy? Um, yeah, avoid them. Thanks, Kaylin. I'm not quite sure what happened with TikTok. Everything just shut down on all systems. Had no sound. I couldn't see comments. I couldn't see anything. So Serge, I don't use indicators. I just look at price action and nothing else. Um, Absolutely nothing else. Yeah, okay. 11 minutes. No, 8 minutes. 8 minutes, and I'll be making the draw. So all you need to do, if you haven't yet entered the draw, guys, is click on that link I've just posted in the chat and make sure you fill out the details. If you give the wrong email address and wrong phone number, you will not be a winner because I won't be able to contact you. So please make sure you have done it correctly, guys. Yep. So all you need to do, I'm going to do the draw in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay. We also have a potential BPC set up here on the NASDAQ. So what am I waiting for? Bearish candle close. As long as we have, if it drops another 5 pips, then there'll be no setup for me. Hi, Iceman, uh, at Mark #1. Thank you. Not quite sure what was going on there, so I do. Terry, Rufus from Kenya's just come in. Uh, oh, Terry, it's one of my members, I think. Terry, is that you? One of my members that's just registered from the UK? E- Eternal Love is just joining the stream. So yeah, Let me just get those names onto the spreadsheet for the random picker. Did I? Darren S. Okay, I need to put in that one. Rufus, add. We'll put in Terry. So remember, guys, just got a few minutes to get yourself into the competition for a free coaching session. Iceman's followed that. Thank you for the follow, much appreciated. So yeah, look, there won't be a sell for me now. By the time you add spread and then you've got this week to fill, the probability of getting to your target and which are 20 pips is just diminishing a little bit. So I'm going to wait for a clearer setup. 6 minutes to go. So 6 minutes to go, guys. If you haven't yet got yourself registered for the free competition, then just click on that bit.ly link right now and fill in the details. Opinion on gold. No opinion now. Need it to. I would look for another buy setup if we get a BPC like this. New resistance level has shifted. You got what, 40 pips to the top there. 4 minutes left. Yeah, gold will probably go and test the highs again, I reckon, looking at this. I think gold will test the highs again. So in 4 minutes, we're gonna do the draw. So let's see if anyone else has entered. The last person to enter was Terry. Has anyone else clicked on the link? If you haven't yet clicked on the link, you've still got time to do so. No, so Terry is the last person to do that. We've got 4 minutes. 4 minutes before we place, 4 minutes before we do our draw. 32 pips to the high. 32 pips to the high. So if the next candle wicks down, I think you can look at buy stops above the high of this candle. If the next candle wicks down, there's 30 pips up for grabs. Three minutes. Will it drop to 4080? Will it drop 4080 to 4000 today? I have 50 units on a sell. Mandems. It's I have no idea. I, I have no idea, but I'm guessing you hope so. Okay, so less than 2 minutes for the draw, guys. Less than 2 minutes for the draw. Um, if you lost 4.5 grand last week, need to recover half. Well, look, just just focus on the process. You don't want to you don't want to think about the losses. You want to think about the process and how. if you focus on the process, then you can probably make more money than what you lost. Just be patient and wait for it. If you try and force it, you're probably going to end up handing more back. So still 30 pips there. 1 minute. I tell you what, I'm going to do the draw after this, guys, because if the next candle wicks down, I'm actually going to place this trade. So if the next one wicks down, I'm going to place this trade and put that under that wick. Uh, any second now will be. I need the next candle to wick down, guys. It must wick down. It will be a buy. Okay, I need it. Okay, so there we go. Order's gone in. Buy stop order is in. If I get 10 pips up, I'm just going to hit stop loss to break even. Oh, that was a shocking fill. Okay, break even. Ah, there we go. Stopped out. It got 10 pips, stopped out at break even. So I was just looking for it to run up into there. But never mind. Right, let's do the win. Let's do the win. Let's see who's going to win. Oh, we've got one more person enter. Paul M. Let's put his details on. All right. If you haven't, so here we go, guys. So everyone's details are on. Right. Let's just see. Hold on. I just need to move that down here. Just check no one else has added their details while we're waiting. Okay. Are you ready, guys? This is for, oh, I'll add the break even on there. So this is for a coaching session. All right, let's see who the winner is. Eben. Simon Webster. Simon Webster. Guys, so I thought it was going to be Ebenezer. So the winner of a coaching session. What's this? Agag. I don't know what that means. So the winner of the free coaching session is going to be Simon Webster. So next week, the next Monday, I'm going to do a 1 month giveaway to our Mark Owen Concepts membership. So in order to be, what's the Agag? I don't know what that means. Right, I just need to update the stats because we just had another break-even trade. Yeah, normally I have a 10 pip take profit, but because it's been an okay day, I was just going to put one fixed TP up at the top and move stops to break even at 10 pips. Okay, so I'm just going to update the stats now on YouTube, and I'm waiting for TikTok. So that's 10 break evens. Busy trading day on this session, actually. That was 4 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss, and a break even. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that down there. So thank you guys for taking the time to fill out your details. Danny, thanks for the follow. Yeah, I'm just waiting to try and update the stats, guys. I'm trying to update the stats on TikTok. So if you've enjoyed today's session, just let me know. Um, any questions, fire them in right now because I'm going to call it a day once I've got this bloody break even updated to 10. There we go. Break even 10. Apply. Okay, there we go, guys. That's it. We're done. I'll be back tomorrow. Let me check. Uh, Tomorrow. Yeah, we can do a live stream tomorrow at 1 o'clock. So, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow at 1 o'clock. If you're available, look forward to seeing you. If you're just too busy, then maybe we'll see you on Wednesday. Do we have to fill in the form again for next week? No, once you're on the form, you're done. Yeah. So for this month, you're on. You don't need to do it again. Thanks, Chris. Cheers, buddy. Take care. Yeah, look at that. Market's gone. It would have not quite, but yeah, there we go. Would have hit my TP. But never mind. It's done. Risk management is in place for a reason. Guys, take care. All the best, and I'll see you tomorrow, 1 o'clock. Bye bye.